How do Muslim women teach halal and haram across generations? Imagine sitting with your mother or grandmother, listening to stories about what is allowed and what is forbidden in Islam. That's how Muslim women often pass down the rules of halal and haram from one generation to the next. In families, especially those living in countries outside of Muslim majority areas, women play a big role in teaching these concepts. They do this through daily actions, like preparing halal food, dressing modestly, and showing respectful behavior. Children learn by watching their mothers and elder women, who serve as models for Islamic conduct. Education is also a key part of this process. Muslim women have historically been teachers and scholars. They teach about Islamic laws related to what is permissible and what is forbidden. For example, women like Aisha, the wife of Prophet Muhammad, are respected for their knowledge and role in spreading Islamic teachings. In immigrant communities, women often organize or join religious classes, study groups, and community events. These gatherings help children and other women understand how to live according to Islamic principles, even when they are in a non-Muslim country. Teaching also happens through storytelling and discussing verses from the Quran and sayings of the Prophet. Women explain how these teachings apply to everyday life, like how to eat, dress, and interact socially. For women living in diaspora, this might mean talking about how to keep halal food in schools or workplaces, or how to dress modestly in different social settings. They also teach about making ethical choices that align with Islamic values, even when outside influences are strong. Generational gaps can sometimes make this tricky. Younger people might question traditional ideas because of the culture around them. Muslim women often encourage open conversations, asking questions, and understanding the reasons behind Islamic rules. They emphasize that halal and haram are not just rules but are about living a life that is respectful, ethical, and spiritually fulfilling. They help bridge the gap by making these teachings relevant to modern life, while still honoring their faith. Overall, Muslim women teach halal and haram by combining family lessons, religious education, and community involvement. They adapt their methods to fit the realities of living in a diaspora, making sure the next generation understands and values their Islamic identity. Their role is vital in helping young women and men grow up with a clear sense of what is permissible and what is not, in a way that feels meaningful and practical for their everyday lives.